Hello my dear students, welcome to CMIS online classes. In today's class, in this video, for the students of standard 9, we will continue with the same chapter from our English grammar, that is active and passive voice. In our previous video on the same chapter, we have already understood what is voice in grammar, and we have also understood the types of voice that are active and passive voice. We have also understood the basic rules of changing sentences in active voice into passive voice. What are the important points to remember whenever we are changing the sentences in active voice into passive voice? We have already understood. I hope you remember the points that I have already discussed and explained with examples in my previous video. And in today's class, in this video, we will study about how to change sentences in different tenses in active voice into passive voice with the sentence structures. Okay students, so let us move ahead by learning the methods of changing sentences in active voice in different tenses into passive voice. So my dear students, now listen to this explanation very carefully about how to change sentences in different tenses with their sentence structures whenever we change the sentences in different tenses in active voice into passive voice. How do we change the affirmative sentences in active voice in different tenses into passive voice with examples? So here the heading is given here: structure of sentences in active voice and their passive voice as per different tenses. That means we have written sentences in active voice in different tenses and we have changed those sentences into passive voice. Okay, so how we are changing each sentence in different tenses into passive voice, from active voice into passive voice. So now I am going through this process that have the structure of sentences in active voice and their passive voice as per different tenses. So this explanation you need to listen very carefully, otherwise you will not be able to understand how to change the sentences in active voice in different tenses into passive voice. So here, with the help of this column, I have made this explanation quite easier so that you will find this explanation easier, so that you may also change the other sentences in active voice in different tenses into passive voice. So I have started from the simple tenses here. Okay, so this is the column of tense in which I have written the names of different tenses, and I have started from the simple tenses. Okay, and here this column is for the voice in which we have active and passive voice. Okay, in each tense we have written a sentence in active voice and we have changed the same sentence into passive voice, and this column is for the sentences. Okay, so here this is the column for tenses. So I have written here, first I have chosen the simple tenses. From simple tenses I have chosen here the simple present. So I have this is active voice, the sentence in active voice in simple present tense. Okay, so Cookies Corner sells cakes. So this is the sentence in the simple present tense, and this is in active voice. Okay, understood? So here Cookies Corner sells cakes. So Cookies Corner is the subject here. Okay, so the action it performs is sells. This is B5. Why B5? Because why B5? because the subject we have here is singular. So we already know if the subject is singular, then the verb is also singular. If the subject is plural, then the verb is also plural. So here we have singular subject, cookies corner. Here verb is also singular. Okay. So cookies corner sells what? Cakes. So cakes is an object here. This is subject, this is verb, and this is object. Now as I have told you that when we change the sentences in active voice into passive voice, we have to change the place of subject and object. The subject used in active voice will be changed into object in passive voice, and the object used in active voice will be changed into subject in passive voice. So here, see here, cakes is an object here, so I have changed it into subject here, cakes, subject. Now cookies corner is the subject here, now it is changed into object here in passive voice, object. And before the object I have used here the preposition by, and here the main verb is B5. So I have told you that all the main verbs will change into V3 form of the verb, past participle form of the verb in passive voice. Okay. So the V3 form of sell, sales. B1 is sell, B5 is sales, and B3 is sold. Okay, so this main verb is changed into B3. Now before B3, I have told you that we make the use of to be verbs. Okay, that means to be verbs plus B3 is passive voice. Okay, so the main form of verbs that we have to understand in passive voice is the use of to be verbs plus B3. Understood? Now here, so here the subject used here is cookie. Here the subject used is subject used is cakes here, which is an object here, and the subject here, which is cakes, this is the plural noun. So after cakes I have used are. Okay, understood? अगर यहाँ पर सिर्फ केक होता तो is होता. Okay, understood? So in simple present tense we use either is, am, are plus B3. Okay, so cakes are sold by cookies corner. So cookies corner sells cakes. This is active voice. Now cakes are sold by cookies corner. This is passive voice. This object changes into subject, and this subject changes into object, and before the object we use the preposition by, and the main verbs will change into B3, and before B3 we make the use of to be verbs. Okay, so from the group of to be verbs in passive voice, when we are changing the sentence in the sentences in active voice, if the sentences are in simple present tense, then we make the use of is, am, and are plus B3. Okay, all main verbs will change into B3 in passive voice, and before B3 form of the verbs we have to use to be verbs. Okay, and which to be verbs do we have to use in each tense that we have to understand here in this video. Okay, so now we will move ahead with the simple past tense from simple tenses. Okay, so again I have written here, I have written the same sentence here. Okay, I have written the same sentence here, so it will become easier for you all to understand how to change the sentences in active voice into passive voice. Okay, so see here, this sentence is in simple past tense. So this sentence is in active voice, simple past tense in active voice. Okay, so cookies corner sold cakes. The same sentence in simple past tense. So cookies corner sold cakes. Okay, when we are changing the sentences in simple past tense in active voice into passive voice, we have to make the use of was and were from the group of to be verbs. Okay, now cakes were sold by Cookies Corner. Again, object changes into subject and subject changes into object. Okay, and before the object we have to use the preposition by, and the main verb will change into B3. Sold is B2 and B3 both. Okay, now before B3 we have to make the use of to be verbs, and in from the group of to be verbs I have used were here because it is in simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense है तो या तो was या तो were होगा. अगर यहाँ पर सिर्फ केक होता तो यहाँ पर was होता. Okay, understood. Now we will move with the simple future tense. Okay, in active voice, Cookies Corner will sell cakes. Cookies Corner will sell cakes. So here Cookies Corner is again the subject, will sell, will plus B1 in future simple future tense, and now cakes is object here. Now again passive voice, cakes will be sold by Cookies Corner. Okay, whenever we are changing the sentences in active voice into passive voice, we will not change the tense, only the form of expression will change. In what way we are expressing the same action, that is changed, not the tense. So जब हम कोई भी एक्टिव वॉइस में सेंटेंसेस, कोई भी सेंटेंसेस हो, उसे जब हम पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं तो उस समय वी विल नॉट चेंज द टेंस. टेंस नहीं होगा, टेंस चेंज नहीं होगा, चेंजेस टेंस में नहीं आएगा. चेंजेस सिर्फ in the way of expressing the same action will be there. Okay, so here how to change? Again, cakes will be the subject here, Cookies Corner will be the object here. Okay, again before the object we have to use the preposition by. Again sell will be changed into sold. Okay, B3. Okay, after will or sell we have to use B1, as I have already explained in the chapter tenses. Okay, and this B1 will change into B3, and before B3 we have to make the use of to be verbs, but the sentence is in simple future tense, so we have to make the use of will or shall in future tense. So will or shall, from will and shall we have used will here. After will we have to make the use of B1, so this B is B1 of to be verbs. Okay, B1 of to be verbs. तो यहाँ पर after will we have to use B1, and before B3 we have to use B verbs. तो यहाँ पर the use of B is fulfilled our two requirements of B1 and B verbs itself. Okay, I hope you have understood. So cakes will be sold by Cookies Corner is in simple future tense but in passive voice. Now come to the present continuous tense. We have come to the continuous tenses. From continuous tenses, this sentence is in present continuous tense. In active voice, Cookies Corner is selling cakes. Is selling, to be verbs plus before, continuous tenses. Okay, present continuous tense, is plus before, is am are plus before equals to continuous tenses, present continuous tense. Okay, so here cakes are being sold by Cookies Corner. So here again cakes change into subject here. Object has been changed into subject. Subject Cookies Corner has been changed into object, and before object the use of preposition by, and this main verb selling is changed into B3. Before is changed into B3 in passive voice, and this we have to make use of before in continuous tense. So being is the before form of the be verb. Okay, and before we have to make the use of to be verbs again. So this is from the group of to be verbs are. Okay, and being is before. Okay, so here we have the sentence is in simple present continuous tense but in passive voice. Cakes are being sold by Cookies Corner. Okay, this sentence, Cookies Corner is selling cakes, this is an active voice in present continuous tense, and cakes are being sold by कुकीज कर्नर. दिस इज इन पैसिव वॉइस इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. अगर यहाँ पर केक होता तो केक इज बीइंग सोल्ड बाय कुकीज कर्नर होता. Understood? So if the subject is singular, we use is. If the subject is plural, we use are. If the subject is plural, we use are. If the subject is I, we use am. Okay. Now come to past continuous tense. Active voice. Cookies Corner was selling cakes. Cookies Corner. Subject was selling. To be verbs plus before. Continuous tense. तो was है तो past continuous tense हुआ. Cakes object. तो again cakes were being sold by Cookies Corner. This is in passive voice. How? Let us have an explanation. Okay. So cake object है यहाँ पर तो उसे subject में change किया गया. Okay. Cookies Corner subject है उसे object में change किया गया. Before the object we have used the preposition by, and this selling before is again changed into B3, and before B3 this is in past continuous tense तो before का भी use होना है तो being is before form of the verb. Okay, and were is from the group of to be verbs. To be verb plus before is continuous tense, and B3 to be verb plus B3 this is passive voice. Understood? Cakes were being sold by Cookies Corner. अगर यहाँ पर सिर्फ केक होता तो केक was होता. Okay, cake was being sold by Cookies Corner. Now come to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, active voice. Cookies Corner will be selling cakes. Cookies Corner will be selling cakes. But we can't change the sentences in active voice in future continuous into passive voice. No passive voice. Okay. Now we will go to perfect tenses. Perfect tenses in active voice. Cookies Corner has sold cakes. सो पैसिव एक्टिव प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंसेस में तो हमेशा मेन वर्ब B3 रहता है. ओके वही मेन वर्ब यूज होगा पैसिव वॉइस में भी. बट वी हैव टू मेक चेंज ऑफ अदर रिक्वायरमेंट इन परफेक्ट टेंसेस. लाइक हियर कुकीज कॉर्नर हैज सोल्ड केक. दिस इज इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. सो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हैज या हैव यूज होगा. ओके तो उस समय जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को यूज करें, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में चेंज करेंगे, सब उस समय हमें याद करना है. अब सब्जेक्ट अगर प्लूरल होगा तो हम हैव यूज करेंगे, सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होगा तो हम हैज यूज करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो कुकीज कॉर्नर सब्जेक्ट, हियर कुकीज कॉर्नर ऑब्जेक्ट, केक्स ऑब्जेक्ट, केक्स सब्जेक्ट हियर. ओके सो केक्स हैव बीन सोल्ड बाय कुकीज कॉर्नर. अगर यहाँ पर केक होता तो केक हैज बीन सोल्ड बाय कुकीज कॉर्नर. ओके सो व्हाट इज हियर कुकीज कॉर्नर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके बिफोर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन बाय, and sold is again in the form of sold B3 तो B3 ही होगा. तो before B3 see we have to in passive voice after have we have to use B3. okay that B3 is B3 भी यूज करना है हमें, to be verbs भी यूज करना है. तो यहाँ पर ये been, by using been we have fulfilled two requirements. One is the use of B3 form of the verbs after has, have, had, after have from the group of to have verbs. Okay, so here B3, and before B3 form of the verb we have to make the use of to be verbs. तो यहाँ पर been क्या है, have के बाद में आने वाला B3 भी है, और B3 के मेन verbs B3 के पहले आने वाला to be verbs भी है passive voice में. तो this use of been has fulfilled our two requirements. Okay, so Cookies Corner has sold cakes is active voice. Cakes have been sold by Cookies Corner is passive voice. Okay, in present perfect tense. Now let us see in the sentences. The sentence in past perfect tense, active voice. Cookies Corner had sold cakes. Subject plus had plus B3 plus object. Okay, now object will change into subject. Subject will change into object. Okay, sold B3 will remains B3, and पैसिव वॉइस है तो आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट, पैसिव वॉइस है पास्ट परफेक्ट है तो हैड यूज होगा आफ्टर केक्स, सब्जेक्ट केक्स हैड. सो आफ्टर हैड B3 form of the verb, and before B3 form of the verb in passive voice to be verbs. So here also the use of been has fulfilled two requirements. One is B3 after the group of have verbs had here, and be verbs before the main verbs B3 form of the verbs in passive voice. Okay, so Cookie's Corner had sold cakes, active voice in past perfect tense, and cakes had been sold by Cookie's Corner is the sentence in passive voice in past perfect tense. Okay, now let us move towards the future perfect tense. In active voice, Cookie's Corner will have sold cakes. Cookie's Corner will have sold cakes. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus B3 plus object in affirmative sentence. Okay. Now this cake has been changed into object here. A subject here. Object has been changed into subject. Subject has been changed into object. Now before object, preposition by, and this B3 form of the verb. B3 form of the verb here, and future perfect है तो after subject will or shall. So from will or shall we have will here. So after will or shall we have to make the use of V1. So this have is the V1 form of the to have verbs, because the sentence is in perfect tense, future perfect tense. So after have we have to make the use of again B3 form of the verb. So after have B3 form of the verb, and before the main verb, which is again in B3 form of the verb, before that we have to make the use of to be verbs. So here again the use of been has met our two requirements, that is after have B3 form of the verbs, and before B3 form of the verb we have to make use of to be verbs in passive voice. Okay, so Cookie's Corner will have sold cakes. This sentence is in active voice in future perfect tense, and cakes will have been sold by Cookie's Corner. This sentence is in passive voice in future perfect tense. I hope you have understood. And now when we come to perfect continuous tenses, we can't change the sentences in active voice in perfect continuous tenses into passive voice. That means present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. The sentences in present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense have no passive voice. Okay, no passive voice. That means the sentences in the perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. Okay, so here I would like to stop. I hope you have understood how to change sentences in active voice in different tenses in passive voice. I hope you have understood the requirement of verb forms. What is the actual verb forms used in passive voice, sentences in passive voice? That means to be verbs plus B3, and other changes according to the requirements in different tenses. I hope you have understood. So this is my second video on the chapter active and passive voice. In our next video we will understand about further requirement. We will understand about further rules to change other kinds of sentences into passive voice, from active voice into passive voice. Okay, so I would like to stop here. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much, my dear students. Thank you so much.